If you have got a sliding door and it starts sliding when you try to keep it open, then follow this simple trick to stop it from sliding. My slider door has got a track on the top and the roller is attached to the door rolling on the track. So we need to create a friction to prevent the roller from rolling. For that, you can use cellotape. Cut a small piece of cellotape and then stick it onto the track as close to the roller as possible. Because my finger doesn't fit into the gap, I use a screwdriver to pull down the cellotape and then test the door to see whether it prevents it from sliding. If it doesn't, then add more cellotapes onto the track. It would have been easier to do this before installing the door, but nevertheless, in this way, I was able to get the door to stop at the point where I have placed the cellotape. You might have to move the door where you have placed the cellotape and hold it there, and it would prevent it from sliding. And whenever you want to close the door, you could simply pull the door and it would close easily, as the friction is just enough to prevent it from sliding, and it still allows you to close it past the cellotape. If you still have got any questions, please let me know in the comments.